Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale affiliate marketing with ShareASale, full guide step by step clearly. To scale affiliate marketing with ShareASale, first, create a ShareASale account. Visit the ShareASale website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the application form with accurate and relevant information about your business. Wait for approval, which typically takes a few days. Once approved, log into your ShareASale dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and features available. Explore the merchant section to find products that align with your niche. Use the search and filter options to narrow down your choices. Apply to join specific affiliate programs that interest you. Once accepted, gather links and promotional materials provided by the merchants. Next, focus on creating quality content. Write blog posts, reviews, or guides that incorporate your affiliate links naturally. Consider using SEO techniques to enhance your content's visibility. Utilize social media platforms to promote your content. Share your posts on platforms where your target audience engages. Engage with your followers and encourage discussions around your content. Email marketing is another effective strategy. Build an email list by offering valuable content or free resources. Send regular newsletters with product recommendations that include your affiliate links. Analyze your performance regularly using ShareASale's reporting tools. Identify which products or strategies yield the best results. Adjust your approach based on the data you gather. Consider scaling your efforts by investing in paid advertising. Use Google Ads or social media ads to drive traffic to your content. Test different ad creatives and target demographics for optimal outcomes. Network within the affiliate marketing community. Join forums, webinars, or social media groups focused on affiliate marketing. Exchanging knowledge and experiences can provide valuable insights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.